Say, hey, Charlotte.
Hey, Charlotte.
Say, we miss you.
We miss you.
And we hope you feel better soon.
Have we ready?
So we're praying for you.
We're praying for you.
That's right.
There's Lexi. Bless you. Leah, can you show Charlotte how wet you are? Why are you all wet today? What?
Did I spray you with a hose?
Can you twirl? Or how about you sing, can you sing a song for Charlotte? What song? Which song do you want to sing? You're being
I
silly.
bet Charlotte's never heard that song.
Yeah, probably not. Sing, teach Charlotte the teddy bear song. How does the teddy bear song go? Leah, teddy bear, touch your toes. Teddy bear, touch your nose. Teddy bear, turn around. Leah, turn around. Teddy bear, touch the ground. Teddy bear, go upstairs.
I went over.
He did.
Leah, finish the song. Teddy bear, say your prayers. Teddy bear, turn out the light. Then what happens?
Touch the toes.
Say good night.
Good night.
How about patty cake?
Cake.
Sit up straight and show Charlotte patty cake. Your version.
Patty cake. What is patty?
Do the whole song. And then what? Patty cake, baker's man. Bake me a cake as fast as you can. You roll it, pat it, mark it with the B, and throw it. She usually says, throw it in the oven for Papa and Chicha.
Oh.
Good job. Alright, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Charlotte. Say bye-bye.
Say see you soon.
All right. Miss you and love you.